Alright guys, so we're going to start this off by salting some boiling water. Throwing a good amount in there. Stir it up. Get that salt all through the water. And we're going to get our pasta in there. We got 1 pound of pasta. You want to stir that up as well. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. It's already boiling, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Now we got that done, we're going to start making our roux for our cheese sauce. So I got another pan. We're going to throw some butter in there. We're going to make our classic roux sauce. 8 tablespoons of butter. We got the butter melted. We're going to go and throw in our flour. So I'm using 4 tablespoons to 8 tablespoons of butter. We're going to keep stirring that. We're going to cook that for about a minute just to cook off some of that flour. About a minute. We're going to go ahead and pour in. I'm using heavy cream. I'm going to pour that in slowly. It's going to make it cheesy, creamy, rich, especially with that Kerrygold butter. Starting to thicken up already. Just keep stirring it. Add some more. I have some on reserve in case it gets too thick for my liking. See it right there. Working on a low heat here too. Looks like I might have to add some pasta water just to thin it out. Like I said, I'm going to bake it. And the pasta is going to absorb a lot of this. I'll go ahead and season it with my brisket rub. Salt, pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion. We're going to add about 4 ounces of cream cheese. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of pasta water. Just thin it out a little bit. Keep an eye on that pasta. Want it al dente. There we go. It's loosened up more. Because it's gonna thicken up more with cheese too. I grated up a pound of sharp cheddar cheese and some good mozzarella. Low moisture, but it's whole milk. So we're gonna start adding this cheese. Turn it down a little bit, little at a time. Start adding our mozzarella now. Find that consistency that works for you. So when you bake it, the pasta does tend to absorb a lot more sauce. And I still want it to stay creamy because basically when I put this sauce over the pasta, it's done. But I'm going to top it with cheese, put it in the oven, just get that cheese on top melted, and then we'll top it with that chorizo crumble. Got a 9x13 oven safe pan. Go ahead and put our pasta in there. Spread it out. Our cheese sauce is done. I'm going to pour it over the top. Get every little bit of that stuff. Go ahead and mix it up. See how creamy that is? It's basically done already. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and make a topping for it. We're going to go ahead and top it with the rest of the cheese. Some more mozzarella. We're going to throw it in the oven. Well, for the crumble, it's a little different from your panko. What we're using for fat is some chorizo here. And right away when it hits that skillet, you can smell that vinegar in there. To this, we're going to add some butter. Half a stick. Some chorizo, butter, Ritz crackers. Let me tell you, when you top your mac and cheese with this, beautiful flavor. Really good. You see all that fat in there? That's what's going to get absorbed into your Ritz crackers right there. It's about a package and a half of Ritz crackers. Absorb all that. Just let it toast up. Alright guys, when I was thinking about this video, I was thinking, what is the best side for barbecue? And to me, the best side for barbecue would be mac and cheese. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I already know how it tastes. I know it's gonna be bomb. You can see this right here. You got the cheese coming up. You know, a lot of times when you serve good barbecue, you have to have a good side. If you go to a place and they have good barbecue but not a good side, I don't think it hinders the place, but this mac and cheese right here, you guys got to give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you guys like what we're putting out, hit the subscribe button, follow us, and we're gonna be putting out more content. We got some brisket, pulled pork videos coming up. Check out my other videos too. Thank you again, and until next time, we'll see you later.